YouTube, it's L'Oreal or Leaux. Everybody calls me Leaux. If you are subscribed, thank you. But if you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. It's another day. I'm really excited about today's vlog. I already worked out, which I don't know why in my brain it wasn't clicking to start vlogging. But I did abs this morning. I did one of Chloe Ting's ab workouts or whatever. Anyway, I'm getting my hair done today. I'm gonna see if she's okay with me vlogging. I know people are a little bit more hesitant to things, so we'll see. And yeah, right now I'm just filling out paperwork. Y'all, your girl got an internship with Atlanta International Fashion Week. Like, what? Claps for me. I'm super excited. So yes, I just filled out some paperwork for the onboarding process. And then I'm filling out paperwork for when school starts again, because I need to start my independent study, and I also need to start my professional project. And school is coming up really soon. And then I'm also filling out a lease application, because y'all just stay tuned, because I have a chit chat get ready with me coming, where I'm basically going to discuss like living on my own for the first time, the ups, the downs, having landlords, like all of that stuff that you're wondering about if you're about to if you're like a young adult, you know, about to be on your own and stuff like that. Like, we're gonna talk about it all, baby, because there's some stuff that people don't say. People make it seem like it's peaches and rainbows, and baby, it's not always that. This is not that. This is real life. So yeah, let's get this day started. Halfway done. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, looks so good. Hey y'all, so I just got finished. I ended up not recording throughout the whole thing, but like y'all saw some clips and stuff like that. We were actually just talking a lot. You know, you guys, like, since Corona, you know, kind of messed everything up, it's like people haven't really been able to get things done. Like, this is my first trim in a while, so like, you know, catching up and stuff like that. Telling her all the stuff that I told y'all in my catching up video, so y'all really didn't miss anything. Now I'm on my way home, trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat tonight. And yes, it's a real chill day, so yeah. Y'all, it's the next morning. I just woke up. I feel like I tied my headscarf too tight right here. If you tie your hair up, you know that feeling. But I'm just gonna chill on tying my headscarf tight. Just woke up, and I'm actually about to attempt to get an Instagram picture out of today. I wanted to do this last night, but it was raining and stuff like that. But I mean, I feel like I need to while I have the chance. I should have just showed y'all this, but I put my hair in pin curls overnight whenever I have it straight, because I truly feel like wrapping my hair does not help it. Whenever I wrap it, my edges be like, you know, breaking, and it's just not good for my hair. So I do pin curls, and then pin curls helps keep body in it. It does make it a little bit more curly, but it does fall, so like I don't mind it. Hey y'all, so I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I just need to add my other lash. But y'all, my hair has grown so much. Like, I'm so proud of it. Like, what? Proud. And it's curled. Like, I've been doing good. I'm gonna have a whole like hair, like what I've been doing to grow my natural hair video coming soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm not saying nothing in this video. So yeah. Hey y'all, so it's currently 11 o'clock at night. I just got off and I just sat down because your girl is tired, but my makeup actually doesn't look bad. They say I had it on for like 12 hours. Like, you know, yeah, I'm about to shower and go to sleep. I have to go back to work in the morning. But I do get off, you know, at a reasonable time tomorrow. So we're gonna see what tomorrow brings, y'all. See y'all in the morning. Hey, you guys. It is the next morning. I just woke up. I need to brush my teeth, so I need to hurry up. This is how my mornings go. You know, I usually get up. If I actually get up when my alarm rings, it's a miracle. Hey, you guys. I don't remember the last time I was vlogging, but I figured I should pick up my camera and go ahead and vlog this day and then complete this vlog. So right now, well, I just got off. I'm about to eat, and then I'm about to ship shop. I do ship shop, which is just shopping for people, shopping for groceries. Real easy. They be giving nice tips sometimes. Sometimes they don't leave a tip. It's okay, you know. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. And yeah, that's how my day is gonna go. I'm just hungry, y'all. Hungry ain't even the word. I'm about to eat a grilled chicken sandwich with broccoli as a side and some sweet potato fries as a side, but they're not done yet, and I actually don't want to open up the oven until they're done because I don't like doing that. Like whenever you open up the oven, like it makes the oven cold or something, so I'm gonna just let it, you know, continue to go. It only takes about, like, I can put y'all right here. Y'all not gonna be able to sit right here. Yeah, it only takes about like 10-15 minutes. First of all you see is bottles. It only takes about 10-15 minutes for the sweet potato fries to go. I use the brand, this is the brand that I use, you guys. This is the brand I use. It's real good, you know. I make it crispy. I put it in the oven for like 10-15 minutes, and then I put it with broil for like another 5 minutes. Put a little salt on it. Good. Hey y'all, it's way later in the day. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I just got done like eating and everything. I did my shipped orders. I didn't record really because I mean y'all would just be watching me go around Target. So yeah, now I'm just getting ready for tomorrow. And yeah, y'all, like this is a lot that I got going on right now. But I mean, as of like right now, I've pretty much completed everything. I sent out every email. I needed to set up like a class for myself, so I sent out that email. I have a client finally for my professional project for grad school. So yeah, I got an internship with Atlanta Fashion Week. Like y'all, this has just been woo. And then also, I need to send another email, but I'm gonna wait until like mid next week to send another email to see about a graduate assistantship. We gonna pray. I'm not even gonna cross my fingers. We're gonna pray on that. We're gonna give it to God. I was actually watching some videos to like decompress my mind because something that I was trying to do I can't do right now because the person didn't send me all the information. Like I just been feeling good. Like I feel good. I just been feeling like, you know, I don't really have time for anything that isn't serving me. And I mean, I don't know. Like I really just put it out my mind. Is that good? I feel like I need to talk to my boss about that because, well, it's crazy. She's my ex-boss now, but like, you know, I be telling her stuff and she'll tell me if I'm tripping. And y'all, I'm gonna be doing a straight to curly video. I really just want to get a good picture with my hair straight outside with a bathing suit on, just, you know, chilling. I really want to get that type of picture, but like the way my work schedule is set up, I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Like this is y'all, like I know that people get on here and they make these vlogs look real fun and they make their life look fun 24/7. Like baby, it's not peaches and rainbows all the time. Now don't get me wrong, I'm very happy. I be having good times and stuff like that. But like life is rough, you know. People be going through it, okay? So whenever you see somebody making a vlog or posting a picture and you want to think like, oh, their life is so perfect, baby, please remember life is life, and that's just that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, y'all. To tie up my hair, I'm just gonna do some loose pin curls, about 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, about 15 pin curls I do. And yeah, then I tie it up and I put on a bonnet. But I'm gonna show you guys all of this in my straight to curly video. So yeah, y'all better stay tuned for that. Watch that, because on Instagram y'all said that y'all will watch it, so I'm gonna do it for y'all. Please watch it, please, please, please. Hair videos are not easy, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I know I said it in the intro, but I'm going to say it again in the outro. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Can I get like 20 likes? Please, please. That's such a low number, but like I feel like, you know, I'll be getting around 10. So can we double that at least, you know? Your girl is trying here. We're trying. So yeah. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.